Imagine it is the middle of August. You are staring at a screen, ready to dive into English football for the very first time. There is no warning label, no trial period, and no exit door. Just 20 clubs over 100 years of history and a decision you can never undo. This is the Premier League personality transplant. At the time, no one tells you what this choice actually means. They didn't warn you that over the next few decades, it would dictate your mood, ruin your weekends, and become the single most emotional relationship of your life. Fast forward to the modern era. As the new season approaches, millions of new fans face a monumental question. How do you choose the right football club? The temptation is fierce. On one side, the easy modern choice, picking whoever is winning right now. You could pick Manchester City for their beautifully organized dominance, or Arsenal for their flawless architectural set pieces. A proposal that promises cutting-edge football and immediate glory. On the other side, a romantic, chaotic bid. Clubs like Tottenham Hotspur, a team that promises brilliant, beautiful football, but guarantees to break your heart at the exact moment it matters most. Or Newcastle, where the football is almost secondary to the deafening, bare-chested noise of the city. It is a battle between chasing the glory and embracing the chaos. The football world holds its breath, waiting to see which suffering you will choose. But in a stunning twist that no new fan sees coming, the trophies don't actually matter. Instead, the reality of the sport breaks its own rules. It demands something that makes no logical sense. It requires blind loyalty. The true Premier League experience begins exactly where logic ends, in the struggle. You could choose a historic club like Everton, a club that acts like a beloved, broken-down family car, surviving near disasters, breaking your heart for years, yet keeping their stadium packed to the brim every single week to honor their deep, historical ties to the origins of the sport. But once that loyalty is locked in, your emotions will pack their bags and cross into absolute madness. The rest of your life, the intense drama, the managerial sackings, and the occasional triumphs will be tied to a team thousands of miles away. This creates an emotional footprint unlike anything ever attempted in sports. You will navigate multiple rebuilds, different tactics, and vastly different levels of toxicity. But it also represents something beautiful. By picking a club like Nottingham Forest or Aston Villa, your choice physically bridges the gap between modern football and the historic European glory of the past, uniting generations in a shared festival of hope. From the historic, nerve-wracking relegation battles to the roaring, ultra-modern Champions League nights, supporting a club isn't just a hobby anymore. It is a lifelong sentence. When you finally pick your team this season, remember what you are signing up for. You aren't just watching a game, you are watching the culmination of your own emotional endurance. A choice that started with a casual decision on a screen and grew so massive, so undeniably permanent, that it now takes over your entire life.